Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flavor Ultimate. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we are gonna make cheesy bread omelets, and let's begin with the ingredients. For this, you will need 2 bread slices. You can use brown bread or white bread, and then you need 2 eggs, and you'll need 1 medium-sized finely chopped onions, and then 1 green chilli finely chopped, and coriander leaves 1 or 2 teaspoons. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Oil you'll need 4 teaspoons. Cheese according to your preference. Salt according to your taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon chili powder. Now let's begin. Add finely chopped onions, coriander leaves, and green chilies to a mixing bowl. Now let's add the spices. First, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt according to your taste, half teaspoon chili powder, and mix this very well. You need to mash everything together so that all the masalas get coated on your onions. So mix it very well. You need to mash this at least for 1 or 2 minutes very well. You can see how finely I'm mashing it. Now let's break the eggs. Mix it very well. Beat the eggs very well. Beat it at least for a minute so that it becomes little bit frothy. Now heat the pan very well. This is my iron tawa, and let the oil heat, and then add your egg mixture to this. Spread it a little wider. And one more thing guys, your flame needs to be low, very low, because now we are gonna keep the breads on it and let it cook. Your flame needs to be in the lowest. Now keep the bread slices on it, one side, flip it. Same process repeated here. See, both sides you need to flip it, because your bread will stick to your egg and it will be nice and firm, it won't break. Now we are going to flip it, hold it slightly and flip it very slowly. let it cook from the other side. Your flame is low, and put cheese according to your preference. Now fold it from the other side first. Yes, you need to close it from one side and then from the other side, like this. Close it and press it a little bit. Now you need to close the bread. It was very hot. Yes, you can use a spoon as well to make sure you're closing the bread properly. Now from both sides, let it cook. Cook it until both the sides are crispy enough. You can see the cheese has melted well. See how well the cheese has been melted. Now let's plate the dish. Guys, if you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well, and keep supporting. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys, and see how well it turned out. It will be so yummy. Please give it a try. You can have this with mayonnaise or ketchup as well. Please try this recipe and give your feedback, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you with the next amazing recipe. Bye bye, take care.